So I just used a new tool to create the video that you're watching entirely with AI. The entire script, the music, the video editing, the clips, all AI. And watch until the end of the video where I'll be sharing 4 steps of how to use this tool and how to make money with it. You gotta just press record.
Artificial intelligence has seen a meteoric rise in recent years, permeating various facets of our lives, including the way we create and consume content. It's no longer just about humans creating for humans. Now we have AI creating for humans too.
So the video you just saw was entirely created using one AI tool called InVideo AI, which I recently just found, and it blew me away. It can take any prompt and turn it into a faceless YouTube video in minutes with a human-sounding voiceover, engaging script, and super relevant footage. And the folks at InVideo were kind enough to sponsor this video, so let me show how I use this tool in 4 easy steps. Step 1, smart prompts in the InVideo AI software create better results. So when I first started out, it took me about 6 tries to get the hang of the software, but once I dialed it in, it completely blew me away. You can tell it to create a recent events video with a Wikipedia link or a news article. So I linked up the YouTube Culture and Trends report for this year, which actually revealed that there have been over 1.7 billion views already for AI generative tools. But all I did was just put that link into the AI tool and it generated the script entirely on its own.
The YouTube Culture and Trends report too sheds light on this growing trend. It reveals that a staggering 60% of respondents are open to watching content generated by AI, and 52% have watched a virtual YouTuber in the past year. But what does this mean for traditional content creators and viewers?
If you haven't hit the like button on this video yet, you should, because this is insane. Step 2, small adjustments improve the video. So after I linked the article, I selected a middle-aged British female voice, which in my opinion sounds amazing.
The question is, how will we harmonize this new voice with our own?
And I should note that I'm using the Max plan, which unlocks premium voice quality. And then I selected the audience, and you can select the look and the feel, so I chose professional. And then finally, you can select the intended final platform for the video, so I chose YouTube. Click continue, and then seriously, it's like magic. It just makes the entire video for you. And again, if you want to try this out for free, just use the link in the description. And in a second, I want to show you another clip that I made with InVideo AI, but let's hit step number 3, which is add your human touch to the final video. So once the final video is done, maybe you want to switch out some of the clips that are inside of the edit. So there are 2 ways to fine tune and replace the placeholder clips with your own. One is to search the InVideo stock library itself. There's a lot of great footage in there for free, but this also gives people the chance to pay for premium stock footage and get access to over 8 million clips from sources like Shutterstock and iStock that would cost you hundreds of dollars if you were to purchase the clips separately. But the other way to fine-tune the clips is to just upload your own. And so the video you just saw was actually a combination of both. Now, before I tell you about the clips that I added to my video, let's quickly talk about the edit command box. Because InVideo AI completely makes your video for you with no video editing, once you see the final version, you might wonder, well, how can I switch things up? How can I make changes? How can I make edits? The edit command box allows you to use natural language prompts to make adjustments to your video. For example, you might say lower the volume, make it more fast-paced, modify the script, or change the music to something more upbeat or dramatic. Then it just updates the video for you. It's ridiculous.
Take, for example, a fan-made AI trailer for a faux Star Wars episode titled The Galactic Menagerie that surfaced on YouTube. This trailer, created entirely by AI, garnered over 500,000 views, testament to the potential of AI in content creation. Or consider the case of French telecommunications company Orange, which used deepfake technology to challenge gender bias in a soccer ad. This ad, which superimposed male players' faces and bodies onto female players, gained close to 5 million views on YouTube, highlighting the power of AI to generate thought-provoking content.
But one of the things you probably noticed in my video was that there were shots of Casey Neistat and Elon Musk and Lil Michaela and that AI Star Wars commercial and the soccer commercial, like all those clips were in there. And so what I actually did was I went and got those clips off the internet and then just used the replace clips feature to make the video a whole nother level. Now you may be wondering, is it okay to use footage from other people's videos? And for the answer to that question, I encourage you to to just research fair use law or just subscribe to this channel because we have videos that will help being uploaded soon. Now we got to hit step number 4 in just a second, but the cool thing is this tool just launched and it's already crazy powerful, but there's going to be a lot of updates to it as it continues to evolve and grow. The video is going to be adding new features that allow you to tweak the music, the voiceovers, do different things with subtitles. But one of the things I'm most excited about is the ability to export the final product from the AI into NVIDIA's video editor timeline, which essentially means that you'll have unlimited flexibility and customization after the AI has done all the heavy lifting. So I encourage you, subscribe to NVIDIA's YouTube channel. They're pumping out a lot of cool content over there, and we'll always be sharing the latest updates and cool news. But let's hit step number 4, which is tap into the YouTube automation movement and start earning passive income. So by now you've probably heard about the big trend of how people are earning passive income around the world doing YouTube automation. Some people call them faceless channels, some people call them cash cow channels. And really, it's not easy, but it is a legit business. And I can see how AI tools like this one are going to get a new generation of content creators started and help the pros evolve even faster. And in just a second, I want to show you a channel that's earning thousands of dollars a year with faceless content. But I think we need to address the elephant in the room. Some people are concerned that tools like this are going to lead to just a bunch of copy and paste content on YouTube that's going to lower the quality and just make YouTube more crowded. And I can understand that perspective, but from my point of view, a tool like NVIDIA AI is really just a co-pilot for creators that are willing to still put in the work of learning marketing, of learning how YouTube works, of learning psychology, and of learning strategy. It's not a get-rich-quick tool for lazy people, but it is a crazy power tool to help you create engaging videos faster, freeing up your time to focus on doing the research, to focus on strategy, and to focus on writing creative prompts that get results from the AI. For example, here's another video that I created using NVIDIA AI. And what I did was I imagined a faith-based channel that doesn't show my face, that doesn't use my voice, and that shares inspirational Bible verses. So I gave it a prompt and I said, create a YouTube short with 3 Bible verses for fear and anxiety. Here's a little snippet.
Here are 3 Bible verses that will strengthen you when facing fear and anxiety.